Deshong Art Museum. Did you know that a teenage boy stole over a worth of paintings from the Deshong Art Museum by simply taking them off the wall and sliding them through a window? Carom billiards. Did you know that Turkish carom billiards champion Zenmide Karkul grew up playing volleyball for about 12 years? North Nias Regency. Did you know that North Nias Regency demolished its own government buildings in 2018 for urban renewal? Far red light. Did you know that pollution in rivers scatters far red light, making it harder for plants like novlo to germination? Lessons in chemistry novel. Did you know that while writing lessons in chemistry, the author self-studied chemistry and was a full-time copywriter? Martha Palmer. Did you know that Martha Palmer worked as a textile arts of the indigenous peoples of the Americas in El Alto before being elected to the Chamber of Senators? Benjamin Britten. Did you know that Benjamin Britten composed Canticle I, My Beloved is Mine and I Am His for the tenor voice of Peter Pears, using poetry from A Divine Rapture by Francis Quarles? Pictet's experiment. Did you know that in 1790, 10 years before the discovery of infrared heating of the Earth by the Sun, Pictet's experiment? Remember to follow me on social media for behind-the-scenes content and updates.